Hello everybody, Anna Vanila is yet again back. Kisses to everyone who is watching me. This is my new Kangaroo to keep me warm this winter. I hope you've got one like this yourself, because it's so cute. It's not just very cute, it is also very comfy and very sexy indeed. And it's got a hood. And it keeps me warm. Look at this. It's double layer. I love it. It makes me feel so comfortable and enjoying myself. In this cold winter, I feel very warm. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I love you all.